must be talking about that linchpin life. Hey, I've got a quick point I want to share with you guys, and I really think this is going to make a difference for you in your trading life and when you're getting into your investments and your trading. It also can help you in your personal life, okay? So use it wherever you want to use it, all right? One of the best things a person can do is develop a system. If you develop a system for yourself, you can have some success, okay? Why? Because systems lead to great habits, right? If you have great habits, you'll get great results, right? Okay, cool. But here's the key to really having a really great system. All right, listen to me on this because this is very, very important. Don't get so hooked up on a system that it makes you forget about this. When you build your system, remember this. Be stringent on your rules of that system, okay? But be flexible on your expectations of that system. Let's say it again. Be stringent on your rules of the system, but be flexible on your expectations of that system. Many people do it the opposite way. They're flexible on their rules, right? But stringent on their expectations. Let me just put it to you in plain English. You want a big house, and you've come up with a system to get this really big house. And the system might be, I'm gonna save this amount of money every year, and I'm gonna put this much back, and I'm gonna make sure my credit stays this way, right? That's your system. And a lot of times we'll say, well, you know what, I ain't gonna save this week. I'll just save and I'll double up next week, right? That's you being flexible with your system, right? But why? You can't be flexible with that system. Once you say what you're gonna do and how you're gonna go about it, you need to stick with that. But here's where you get stringent, right? You see a house, but it's not exactly the house that you wanted. Maybe it's off by 400 square feet. Then you're like, no, I don't want that house. No, the house I've got to have, it's gotta be this one. You see this house on this picture? It's gotta be this one. If it's not this one, I can't have it, right? Look at you. You're being stringent on the expectations. This is a good house. Like, be okay with getting in this other house. That is what's going to create success in your life. That's all I'm saying, okay? Some of y'all got it backwards, okay? Including myself. I do this a lot, all right? So ask yourself the question, am I stringent on my expectations while I'm being loose on my rules? Then flip it. Stringent on the rules, loose on the expectation. Got it?